Hey everybody, this is Mark. I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall programs today. Let's say you have a bunch of stuff installed you need to get rid of, like I have this Open Office tool and this Flux tool I want to install. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the Start button. You're going to go to Settings. You're going to go to Apps. And then in here, bigger so it's easier to see. You're going to look for the tools. So you can see Flux is here. And Open Office. So these are both the tools I want. You can also modify it, but it's better to uninstall. Now, if you don't see the tool here, you should click on this little start button and just start typing control, and you're going to want control panel. So you're going to click on here. Sometimes it won't show here the program if it's an older program. And you're going to go right here, uninstall a program. You'll see you have all these settings. Under programs, you'll see uninstall a program. Click on it. So I'll do it both ways. So we'll do Flux from here. So right here in this one in the settings, you'll go uninstall, uninstall. And it'll basically keep asking you for stuff. Trying to ask me questions like why. Do you want to allow? Yeah. We don't care about this. You can see it's completed, so close. So now you'll see it's uninstalled. Even if we go here, refresh, you'll see Flux is gone. Now the other way, if your program's not in the settings apps, if it's not in your settings and then apps not showing up here, then you'll do exactly what I said and you'll go here and type in control, go to control panel, and then you just go uninstall a program. Then you'll go find it, so this guy, and then you're going to go uninstall. You could even right click uninstall. Are you sure you want to uninstall? Yeah. Yes. Get my stuff a little bit of. Let this finish real quick. It's the same exact thing, just done differently in case you can't find it the other way. If you're having problems with a program, sometimes you could do repair. Oh, yeah. If you're having problems with like a web browser or tool or something, you can do repair. Sometimes it'll fix it. You can see it's gone. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Now both those applications are uninstalled, two different ways. And yeah, if you like the video, leave a like. If you want more content like this, subscribe. And yeah, see ya.